season, cozy sweater season, which means it's winter, and I am so excited to bring you the new Mary Kay 2025-2026 winter product launch. So if you love this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and let's check out these new products. Okay, y'all, before this video gets rolling, I just want you to know you're gonna wanna watch till the end because there's a funny little moment, or shall we say a blooper, that I thought, you know what, I'm not gonna edit that out. I feel like you need to smile today and maybe a little bit of joy. So enjoy. Hey friends, welcome back. Welcome to the Mary Kay winter product launch. And it wouldn't be winter without talking about some skin moisture. And y'all, I've got to tell you this one thing. The winter product launch this year is small, but friends, it is very mighty. And so the first product I want to talk to you about is my favorite. I always start with my favorite for the season. So my absolute favorite new product, is this right here. It is the Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Barrier Restore 1:1:3. So it's 1:1:3. Now, okay, let me just give you the inside scoop. So I got this product, and as usual, I don't read the directions. I just start slathering it on my face, which I do recommend at least taking a peek or chatting with your beauty consultant about directions. Anytime you get a new skincare product, I tend to, do what I say, not what I do type of thing. I put it on, and here's what I will tell you. I am I have very dry skin, like drier than dry skin. I typically will put, multiple moisturizers on my face. I also live in a climate where it can be minus 35-degree wind chills in the middle of winter. And so moisture is just being sucked out of my face constantly. And the first time I used this new Barrier Restore product, I am not even kidding you, I felt like I only had to use one moisturizer. I felt like my skin felt plump and bouncy. Like, that's the best way to describe it, is plump and bouncy. And who doesn't want their skin to be plump and bouncy? I don't know. But I wanted plump and bouncy, and it just felt really soft and really hydrated, and just like I could feel it right away. So it saves time. It saved me time. It saved me on, other products and that type of thing. So love this. So let me tell you just a little bit about it. So we've been talking a lot about skin barriers, and I have a couple other videos about how to repair that, or different product regimens that are easy to use that can help you kind of repair that natural skin moisture barrier. But I'm going to tell you this is just my opinion. I don't care how oily you are, I don't care how dry you are. I think we are all walking around with dried out, rough skin because there's pollution, there's all this stuff in the air that our skin comes into contact with, and it has no hope, right? You can do good skincare, it's still gonna get through. And it's because when your skin's natural lipid barrier is weak, it acts like a net or like a piece of screen that you would put over your window, meaning it just lets everything kind of through. It might block some of the bigger stuff, but it's letting stuff through, right? So that's your skin, and that's why it causes aging, it causes climate, sun overexposure, all that stuff kind of plays into that. And what happens to your skin is it gets red, it gets dry, it itches maybe, rough texture, and overall your skin feels sensitive, right? So when your skin barrier is strong, it acts like a brick. Okay, so you've got I don't know about you, but do you want a screen or a brick? I want a brick on my face, okay? So it acts like a brick wall, meaning all that stuff just bounces right off of it, and it keeps all the good things in, which is those critical nutrients and moisture, and the bad things out, like pollutants and bacteria. And so the 1:1:3, so it's 1 part fatty acid, 1 part ceramide, and 3 parts cholesterol, but y'all, it's the good kind, okay? So 1 part fatty acid, 1 part ceramide, and 3 parts cholesterol. And what that does, these are essential lipids that are part of the reason that your skin is acting like a screen or a net instead of a brick wall, is because those essential lipids have been broken down from all the things we expose our skin to, not great skincare always, and all of that stuff. So, so use twice daily. I love this. It is clinically shown to reduce the look of skin redness in as little as 2 weeks. Y'all, I noticed the same day how bouncy and just resilient and hydrated it felt. It's actually clinically shown to start reinforcing the skin's barrier in just 3 hours. So that's how I felt it the same day. It's clinically proven. It isn't just me making it up. So I absolutely love this new Barrier Restore. It retails for $46. It's a great price. Now where to put it on? Because we get so many products, and how do I know when and how to put it on? So first off, you do 1 pump. This is the official directions. I'm gonna give you my directions. 1 pump twice a day, all over your face, right before moisturizer. Okay, so whatever you do before moisturizer, do it, and then put a pump and a half of this. Oh, did you see I just gave you my directions? So I do a little more. So 1 pump, this is a new one because I need one for my travel bag. You see how it's just like a little bit, it's not very much product. I sometimes have found that I need like a pump and a half to do my whole face because I kind of have a bigger face. But if you have a tiny face, 1 pump is probably going to do it. If you use too much, you will feel it start to ball up on your face. So this is one of those fabulous products that tells you when you've used way too much of it. So that is how you apply it. Now, retinol, this is where people get confused because as part of our fall launch, we launched a new retinol 0.3. And the thing with retinol is also applied right before moisturizer. So people are like, do I do my retinol or do I do my barrier restore? My general opinion is that I would do the retinol first because this is a soothing product. Okay, so anytime you use a retinol, anything that might be soothing, I believe should go over it. So I would put your retinol, then this, then your moisturizer. If you're retinizing, or not retinizing, but using the retinol throughout the winter. And that's a great thing I do recommend doing. If you watched my fall launch, winter is the best time to do a retinol and get started on a retinol. And ours is a 0.3 and it's loaded with botanicals, so you can use it daily, because you're not in the sun as intensely as you are in the summertime. So that's why this is a good time. So I would do the soothing product over the retinol and then your moisturizer. Whatever you would normally do before moisturizer, go ahead and do that. And if you need tips, I have lots of videos on simple skincare routines that, you know, where you can get more results using less stuff, which is, I feel like, what we're all looking to do, right? And so this Barrier Restore really helps with all that. Now, this Barrier Restore is featured on the cover of the new Mary Kay winter catalog, so be sure to check out more of that. The statistics that I shared about how it works within 3 hours to help restore that barrier, and the before and afters. So I love, love, love. This is Emily Schutte, 10 out of 10, one of my favorite new products because I have such dry skin. I finally am like, this is it. And you know what's funny? I had my team retreat, totally did not have one of these yet for my travel bag, so I didn't use it for a week, and my skin started to feel just that kind of, you know, redness, a little bit of that more dryness than I had experienced. And I went, oh yeah, it's because I wasn't using my new stuff because I only had 1 bottle at the time. So I'm excited. This is a new one for my travel bag. Hope you are too. All right, you guys, let's talk about something we all want. And that is easy to use color products. Okay, I'm your girl this quarter because we have replaced our cream eyeshadows with these new regular line, meaning they're here to stay, eyeshadow sticks. You guys check this out. They go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, they go up, they go way down. So they're easy to use. Easy, I mean, imagine traveling with this. And you guys, here's what is so cool. They are so easy to use. I'm going to show you. I actually applied the look I'm wearing today, which I combined 2 of the eyeshadows. So I have the Radiant Bronze and the Pink Prisms on my eye right here. It was like literally the easiest eyeshadow that I've ever done. And it does not, okay, here's some of the, here we go. Here are some of the shades. You can kind of see them here, all of them. Let me give you a closer up video in a minute. But you guys, these do not, look at this. They do not rub off. They feel amazing, and they're not irritating to your eyes. They're also just so easy to apply. So I want to share more about these eyeshadows here. So first off, why you're gonna love this new eyeshadow. I mean, if you've used our liquid eyeshadows, they've been great in the past. I feel like these are an upgrade. Smooth buildable shimmer, who doesn't hate that? Long wearing formula, that's for sure. Crease resistant, yay. And there are 5 fun shades, okay? So we have pink, let me show you all the shades here. We have Radiant Bronze, Pink Prism, Midnight Galaxy, Golden Sunrise, and Copper Nova. And they are sure to look great on any skin tone, which I absolutely love. So they are a fabulous new product. Now, here is an example of me applying these eyeshadows. So I started with the Pink Prisms in the inner corner of my eye, just to kind of brighten that area up. The thing with these eyeshadows, you just roll the stick up, apply it to your eyelid, and just kind of blend it around a little bit with your finger, and voila, you have fabulous eyeshadow. Of course, you can use any of our eyeshadow brushes, including the all over eyeshadow brush or the Mary Kay Cream color brush to also blend it. But honestly, like, it's so easy to do with your finger, but you do got to move it right away because once it sets, it doesn't move, which is what we want. And then on the outer part of my eye, I just did some of the Radiant Bronze, and I absolutely love having a little bit of a pop of a darker color in the outer corner just to kind of create some depth in your eye. Again, so easy to blend. So if you are someone who's like, I don't understand eyeshadow, eyeshadow smells my fear every time I try it. I don't think I want to wear eyeshadow. You guys, this eyeshadow is for anyone. It's for our glamour divas. It's for our makeup artists. It's for the girl who just wants to look a little bit cute when she goes to the grocery store, because it looks great and it is wear resistant. I mean, it is like you can really rub these and they don't come off on your hand, which is really, really great. So here we go. So these retail for $20, which is a great price. And I know my customers are so excited about these because they loved our cream eyeshadow, and we even have some ideas on our regular line eyeshadows that you could pair these with to give yourself just an even more advanced look. So stay tuned to my channel for more application ideas for these new eyeshadows. And last but not least, we have added a new friend to our wardrobe, our mascara wardrobe, okay? And Mary Kay has one of the most incredible mascara wardrobes ever to be seen. We have so many different options for what you're looking for in your lashes. If you have already fallen in love with our Great Heights Mascara, which is maximum length, it comes in waterproof now. And not just any waterproof. This waterproof has panthenol, which is vitamin B5, so it conditions your lashes and hydrates them. And get this, they did an actual test on this mascara. It says this humidity resistant long wearing formula was put to the test during an intense 30-minute cardio session, and it stood up. So your eyelashes show no chance of smudging after a 30-minute intense cardio session. Trust me, I was not the one in the cardio session. Okay, I'm like on a nice walk, not in a cardio session, but a nice walk. So I know my mascara would live up to that. 43% longer lashes was just one coat of this mascara, which is really incredible. And with 3 coats, you get 75%, and you get the great waterproof, you know, come out the door of the gym just looking extra good look. This is a great addition. You can also do what we call wardrobing your mascara, where you take one of our other mascaras, like maybe you want fan and lift, like you want to lift your lashes, but you also want them to fan out. You might do our Lash Love Fanorama, and then finish your look with a coat of this Great Heights waterproof. And again, just like the other Great Heights, it has this incredible curved wand, so it's really easy to get in your lashes, and it just kind of gives them a little hug. I love that feeling where it just kind of hugs the lashes and separates them, and it's not clumpy, and it's really easy to use. So I love our new mascara option for customers who need waterproof, or maybe your makeup kind of ends, you know, it's like here at the end of the day, or maybe you're just like more active, or you're athletic, or you like to wear a little bit of something to the beach or whatnot. This is a mascara for you. And I believe, yep, it retails for $18 too. Thanks again for checking out the new Winter 2025 products. Go ahead and drop in the comments, what is your favorite product that you are most excited about? Is it the new eyeshadow sticks? Is it the new waterproof Great Heights mascara? Or is it that awesome Barrier Restore? No joke, my personal favorite, because I love to hear from you guys, and it helps me as a beauty consultant know what is the marketplace excited about? What are you excited about? And how's it gonna help your skin? I love feeling bouncy. That's my favorite. And so until next time, until we have new products, thanks for joining. And Dottie Jean and I say, see you next time. Oh, come on now, it wasn't that bad. You're so dramatic.